Tell me, is it whack up in the air? Rappers scattered off the gear. I can map him, yeah, he is like a tracker. Get distracted, send him back like in the mail. Not a fraction of them real. Catch him lacking, run the drill. Bro, running through the shit like a motherfucking dage. I got
calm before the storm. Things aren't as they were before. You best start bracing. Did you think you could keep us out? Shut the gates, forget us now. Tides are changing. Can you hear this sound? Us now. We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Once you shake the ground, you feel it moving. We the revolution. You made a monster.
Xavier, this is the big reveal. Xavier has painted his car pink.
I painted it pink and I also got a body kit and it's also lower. So like, surprise!
It's so freaking sick. I love it so much. Also, these are the new stickers that are for sale on the website, mate. Check it out. Check it out. Should be up by now. But yeah, you would have seen it in the montage. This is Xavier's car. The body kit is freaking sick. The wheel fitment is freaking sick. And oh man, look at it. It's just beautiful.
Yeah,
beautiful.
pretty stoked with it, eh? Like,
yeah.
It's not bad. That bit of the sticker's a bit cooked because I sort of ran out of room and I had to stick them on individually. So
block it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah, happy out with it.
Yeah, no, you did a bloody good job, man.
Yeah,
you did a bloody good job. You should have seen this man. He's a madman. Just like had so much shit in so little time. Also painted the whole engine bay purple and the rocker covers pink.
Yeah.
Looks sick. Woo! And he's done some bloody custom welding as well.
Yeah.
Mate.
Not bad. I gotta clean it. It's so dirty, but
it's quite dirty.
yeah.
That's what happens though.
Yeah.
It gets dirty.
Exactly.
Zip ties. Mint.
I got my dog on the dash now.
Oh, he's got his dogs on the dash. Okay, if you want to see more of this fully sick loose unit drifting this weekend, make sure you check out his channel, Rise to Slide. Freaking absolute weapon. So much sick content, man. I watch all your videos. I'm a big fan.
Shit, bro.
Yeah, nah, sick.
Hell yeah.
Also he's also got underglow. So check out the LEDs tonight. It's gonna be sick.
If I don't rip it up today.
No, it should be sweet, mate. It should be sweet. Happy day.